beach, guys. Say hi. Okay, so we just got here like an hour or two ago, and we kind of got freshened up. I think I'm gonna show you guys like a little tour of the place. It's the standard 3-bedroom, bathroom, stuff like that. So now we're gonna go and explore for a little bit. I'm glad we're here. Let the fun begin. Should we start drinking?
Not sure.
Do you want to start drinking, or we should probably wait, huh? We're not really drinkers.
Yeah, maybe we should wait just a little bit longer. Until we get back to the walk.
I should go for another.
Reggie. Hi, guys. And me. Where's up there? You're right now. And we go to the beach has sand and water. And oh, hi guys. Hi, mommy.
Bumping big, hypnotized with them. Pray you get that job in time, but that's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical.
Shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you.
Day 2. Happy birthday to me. Yesterday I kind of been slacking on the vlogging. I didn't bring it out, but we just kind of got in, so we were a little like kind of relaxing a little bit, and then we just went and explored a little bit, like the pier and stuff like that. So it was a good little first day. We made pizza and stuff. Now today is my birthday. Elizabeth woke me up and Philip woke me up. So now we're about to start some birthday festivities. So I'm gonna get dressed, do something with what I'm wearing, and then I think we're gonna go out, get some birthday stuff, like my free birthday stuff, and then go spend the day at the beach. And then I think my mom is coming later, but I'm not too sure. So yay, let's get started.
She's saying happy birthday to your mommy already.
Oh, right. I know.
Let's get it.
You're about to.
Hey,
How's it going?
good. I just finished brushing my teeth because I was getting prepared.
I
forgot about it.
My.
You was brushing your teeth because of what?
Because I was getting ready for bed before y'all called.
Oh, my baby goes to bed so early so she could get all her beauty rest.
Well, hopefully this will help you go to sleep, Asia.
How will this help her go to sleep?
And we're going to sing her a lullaby.
Those eyes.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go sing a lullaby.
She can't hear you. Say it with your chest.
Say it's a soft melody. You have to listen closely. Close your eyes. Relax.
I have a Bluetooth
Probably go quicker.
Oh, look, she's asleep. It worked.
You did a great job.
Tell her wake up so she can sing happy birthday.
Baby,
All right, okay. Wow. Maybe this is enough.
take one.
Yeah, I think maybe this is enough. Hold on, let's look.
Okay, put the camera on the cake.
That was my mom.
Beat and on key.
Are we ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear May, to you.
Say, now what's the other part? How?
Oh, my cake.
Oh, you gotta blow
Candles
it.
is
You
not on
gotta
your
blow
cake.
it. Did you make a wish? Was it one
Yeah.
breath?